Cool. Hey everyone. Alexa, turn on speaker. So today we're gonna do kind of a mellow, quick open source code review and PR follow-up. And that's because I got some stuff to get to in about like 40 minutes. But I've been on like sort of a mini vacation, and I dropped my mouse. But I also just like want to make sure that like nothing I've got is stuck or is blocking anyone. And I want to do this sort of before I get too far into my day. So let's go ahead and take a look. Do, do, do. So github.com is where large portions of my life live. I'm going to start with just looking at my notifications. So, you think that one's important? This one's interesting, I think. Probably not going to have much time to review the external shuffle service, but that's certainly potentially interesting. I don't. Metrics is probably system DS isn't something that I super care about. This one from 2 days ago. Sure. Sure. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see here. So, we went on vacation. Oh, cool. Let's take a look at these things. Okay. That looks like probably everything that I might be responsible for that I like care about in a strong way. That looks solid. I think we got, oh yeah, this one. If I haven't already looked at this one, I definitely wanted to. So let's start with this one, because this is the outbound PR that I have. And so I want to go ahead and take a look. Okay. And so here we go. So he suggested that I extend the decommission suite as well as decommission label. Yeah, I mean, I guess we could. Yeah. Yeah, I think we can extend that test suite to pick it up as well. So we aren't just depending on unit tests. I'll give that on. I'll give that a shot. So yeah, okay, that's a good suggestion. We'll come back to this one. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good point. Sorry. I did this. Sounds good. I'll switch this back to 1.1.4. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna update this PR in Volcano SH. Cross compile. Okay, and so that is go.mod. So one dot one four. this sound right? I just want to make sure. Um, that's probably fine. But I want to do. I'm gonna go make images first, and we're gonna make sure that that works. Even like this isn't gonna cross compile, but I want to make sure that the change to 1.4. Um, it's because of the Docker containers used for building. Let me just verify AMD64 build on uh, changing this back to 1.14 first quickly. Cool. And so we're just going to make sure that this works before I do the git push. Okay, where did this get left off? Oh, awesome! Fuck yeah! I'm super stoked this got merged. Yay! Happy days, happy days. Okay, I'm gonna drag this over. I want to keep track of the things that we've looked at, I suppose. And I want to circle back to this one. So we'll do that. No. Thanks y'all for carrying this all the way to the finish line. I'm so glad I didn't have to learn. I'm so thankful. So thankful. And yay, ARM64 images for all. And so that's nice that people said thank you, and so I want to say thank you too because like, you know, that's just it's better when we can end things with thank you. Okay, cool. And single user sample image. Oh yeah, I'm so stoked. I am so stoked. Yes. Fuck yes. I am so stoked. Uh yeah. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked with this change. Thanks everyone. Now I can delete a bunch of custom hacks I have in my own repo. Y'all rock. Okay, cool. So that's awesome. Okay, cool. Okay. Docs, I don't think. Oh, hi, Jordan. Looks like docs got merged already, so probably nothing to do there. Okay, cool. That totally did succeed. Switch it back to go 1.14. Yep. Just did the build. It's fine. Cool. And so if we say that, it's just like I just want people to know that like I actually did check it. Oh damn it! What's the DCO error? Oh, damn it. I always forget this. Is my book still useful today? That's a good question. I would say it depends which book you're talking about. Um, which book are you looking at? Um, cool. So this is a bunch of spelling fixes. Eh, it's not super important. We can skip this one. Um, oh, Kubeflow. I think so. Kubeflow hasn't changed all that much. Um, like it's changed a bunch, but not a huge amount. Um, yeah, so this looks solid. Uh, oh, hi, Taniwa. Eyes on PR. Yeah. Okay, yeah, cool. So this got merged. This is solid. I'm stoked. That's exciting. We reviewed this PR together, like on the stream, a while back, and I did an LGTM, and I meant to come back and merge it, but then I went on vacation. Um, but everyone else signed off on it, and it got merged while I was on vacation, so that's really solid. And that's good. So, okay, yeah, cool. Same thing here happened, I think. Looks good to me. And then while I was out on vacation, it got merged. Yeah, I think Kubeflow for ML is still relevant today. Same thing here. I don't actually know if I reviewed this one. I don't think I did. I'm excited it got reviewed. What do we do here? Oh, cool. Yeah, this is useful. Especially for yeah, node selectors. And this is useful for doing some of the scheduler hacks. So super cool that this got merged to yeah. Um cool. This also got merged. This is looking really stoked. I was worried that there was going to be a bunch of people who were like stuck waiting for me. Um huh. Okay. I have not tried Kubeflow Kale. Um, um, so I don't know anything about this project, I would say. Uh, um, so an incubator project. Um, okay. And so this is an alternative shuffle service. Okay. Host network is true. Oh, okay, cool. Um, so I don't know anything about this project, but certainly does seem like it'd be interesting. E so this provides an alternative shuffle service for Spark to use on Cube. Um, is there a design doc? Is there a design doc? I notice host network has to be set to true, which is something I'm generally speaking not comfortable with for security reasons. Is that a temporary design decision? Yeah. So we do use cryptographically insecure shufflers. Um, and part of that is that, generally speaking, um, eh, we don't care about the the security there, right? We do have like I'm assuming you're talking about the key encoding, right? Because you're talking about the hash algorithms, and like it's yeah, it's not something that matters too much. Part of it is like we also have like sort-based shufflers and other things like that, where it's very deterministic, anyways. Um, and if someone really wants to do something bad and they're controlling your data inputs, and they want to cause key skew failure or something like that, they could just set everything to null, and you're gonna fall over. Um, is that a temporary design decision or something more permanent? Okay, cool. This looks interesting. I am slightly. Uh, that's probably not great. Um, yeah, we're not. We should do that, but okay. I don't know anything about the external shuffle ops. Sorry, not external shuffle ops. I don't know anything about what this project is. So let's pop. What is this? Okay. From Naruto? Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Is a unified multi-tenant JDBC interface. This is strange. I wouldn't expect to see a shuffle service come out of a multi-tenant JDBC service. Um, I don't. I don't know what's happening here. I don't have enough context. Um, but we'll see. We left a comment, and maybe they'll circle back and share that additional context with us. 27. I think I was mentioned. Really though, I just started reviewing this PR. I think to like sort of push it along a little bit. But yeah, okay. Um, hmm. Okay, cool. That sounds like it got moved out. Um, okay. Let's see if there's any direct. This is a sub PR. I'm still a little lost. Yeah, I don't know what the JDBC service is involved with here. Okay, so this is smaller. Still 2,000 lines. This is still kind of big. I'm not gonna take a look at it. Okay, cool. So that actually leads me down to pretty much. Oh yeah, I want to refresh this and make sure. Okay, failing after 9 seconds. Uh, huh. So I do turn that into code. So there we go. That's uh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I'm a little fuzzy on this. I think, yeah. So the CI is probably just broken. that happens a lot, especially with smaller projects. It happens a lot with my own projects too, where like I'm the single dev and I just kind of let CI fall by the wayside. So that's solid-ish, I think. The other thing that I want to do before we wrap up is, yeah, um, um, okay. The other thing, so I definitely think that what I need to do, where is it? Yeah, this one. This one is the one where I still have something I need to do. So let's drag it over here. Close that. And so this decommission label PR is going to be the one that we're going to check out. And actually what we're going to do is build Maven. And so yeah, does that sound right? Okay, let's go take a look at Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Sweet. Cool. We can fix the two-line thing. And here, sure. Is that which file is this? Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite. We verify that there's an edit. I mean, yeah, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Kind of a pain to do the mocks structure here, but I'll make sure we cover that in the integration test change. And that's just like, because this is like an arbitrary function, and I could construct a thing and pass it in, and then apply the function and so it's like, there's only really so much that makes sense with mocks, and honestly, we probably have already exceeded the amount of things that make sense to be covering with mocks for the testing. So I'm gonna go ahead and push that out to the integration test, and we're not going to do it now because it's going to take a hot minute, but we're going to open it up and sort of at the very least get started. And so over here, what are we doing? Yeah. Validate, we set the labels. Yeah, no, configure labels. Yeah, so, okay, cool. And so we're actually going to do that So we're not going to do that there. We're going to do that somewhere else. Or actually, do we want to do it here? Yeah, actually. We just want to get this done fast. But give enough time to validate the label. Labels are set. Yeah, so we'll give that 10 seconds. And then the other thing that we're going to do, instead of do basic executor eddies suite.scala, do basic executor pod check. Okay. Do check executor pod is decommed? Does that make sense? Is that what I want to do? Or do we run that on all of them? Let me double check where we executor pod checker. So the executor pod checker, do we run this on all of them? Exec pods for each. Okay. Pretty close to what I want. Check executor pod. Well, okay. Check executor pod gets labeled. Okay. This is a bit of a hack, but hold on, all pods on all exec pods, but we only care about pods, about exec 0, since it's the first. Okay. Cool, except I ran clean compile, so why the fuck did you fail? I hate computers. Okay. So we're gonna, yeah. So Kubeflow is not really designed to be run on a single computer with the default sort of installation, right? Like you can strip it down to run on a single computer. But like sort of the default install installs a lot of things, right? And so it takes a lot of memory. And generally speaking, like I tend to think like 32 gigs is sort of the magic number. for running Kubeflow on a single machine. And that's changed since we wrote the book. Kubeflow used to not install quite as many components by default, but they've definitely added more components to sort of the base install as time has gone forward. That's a very legitimate question. Very legit. So if pod.get metadata um hmm. Or do I want to check that here, or do I want to just check that? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Um. Okay, so what we do here, this is. Okay, where do we go ahead? Oh, except we don't because we trigger the delete there. Hmm. Okay. Alexa, snooze. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite. Fine. Oh, this is such a pain in the ass. I hate computers. I hate computers so much. Um. Oh yeah. Okay. Didn't change the decommission suite. It's because we simulate decommissioning by triggering lead event. It's because we do Kate side decommissioning by triggering a delete event instead of Spark side decommissioning. Is that true? Is that true? So I guess maybe we would do that here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so we could do it here. Specifically here. So that's the one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna move this down to the one where we set this to false. And that is, and we're gonna, do, this is only done here. Okay. So let's go up. Okay. Do basic executor. Do basic executor pod check. Okay. And then we're going to put this down here. Yeah. Wait, what do we do with exec logs? What the? Oh, this code is special. Oh, okay. All we care about is the first. That's fine. I don't mind. But I am gonna bounce in like probably 2 minutes because I gotta run to a thing at 11. We only do this here. We only do this inside of this test, since the other tests trigger indicate side deletes where we do not apply labels to do check label yeah, it's fine. Yeah, feel free to email me. My email box has like 100-ish plus thousand unread messages. I need to get more on top of it. I will work on that. And on that note, I'll be back this afternoon. But yeah, I'm gonna go run. And yeah, I'm gonna go run and get to work. And I'll fix this up probably this afternoon in another stream. So thanks everyone for joining me. As always, lots of fun, or at least fun for me. Bye, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna press the button. Talking. Oh, something's not working. Press button. There we go. Take care, y'all.